Where am I today? I just showed my beautiful listing at Serenity. I'm gonna give you a quick tour. This is a wonderful home, newer construction. It has a 2-car garage, beautiful front appeal. Let's walk on in. So the great thing about this HOA is the HOA fee is very low. It's under $100 a month because they don't have a community pool, but you do have your own pool. Open living area right when you come in. It continues up to over there, overlooking the pool. I want to show you the beautiful lighting. And the kitchen. We have this beautiful backyard, all marble around the pool deck. This is really expensive to install, so the owner didn't spare any expenses. All the way around marble. We have an outdoor kitchen with barbecue, with an ice maker, with a fridge, quartz countertops, and then we have this beautiful pool. Oh yes, we also have a bar here to sit, like a countertop, and this beautiful sparkling pool with another wood style deck. Really nice rocks here around the pool and around the landscaping, and then we have granite here on the alley, and we have full impact protection with shutters. So now I'm going to show you the downstairs bath, which is a cabana bath. Here we have washer dryer, cabana bath that leads to the outside and the pool, and then here we have something quite unique. They turned half of the garage into a man cave, so you have an additional room down here that you can use for a gym, man cave, TV room, whatever you want it to be. So now we're gonna walk upstairs. I'm just gonna show you quickly the view that you have when you walk up here. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, we're gonna turn around. And this home has also an upgrade from the floors. It has vinyl floors, which are waterproof and scratch proof. They usually in our homes have carpet, so this one got an upgrade with the flooring. His and her closets. We have this beautiful big bathroom, double sinks, large shower. Have a little closet here for toiletries and the toilet. And here we have 3 additional bedrooms. They share this bath. Double sinks. Bedroom and another bedroom. So this is it. We have, oh, I forgot, we have beautiful ceiling fans everywhere. Yeah, the house is beautiful. It's move-in ready, freshly painted. AC has been completely taken apart and cleaned. We just reduced the price and improved it to $875 for newer construction of that size house. It's really hard to find. The house 2 houses down just sold for $1,050,000, basically the same house. So this is a great deal. Whoever is going to buy this is going to be very happy. So make it rain. Give us a call. Message us. We're happy to show you. Make it a great day.